Hello everyone, today's menu will be chicken wings with soy sauce glaze. It's easy and simple and finger-licking delicious. So if you're ready, let's get baking. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. In here I have some chicken wings that I already washed and cut into flats and drumettes. And then I'm just going to season it a little bit with some salt. Not so much, just a little bit. And then some black pepper, and then some garlic powder, we're going to add in some bacon powder. Then with clean hands, just go ahead and toss them to get it coated. Okay, that looks good. And then here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can go ahead and use foil too if you prefer. And then I'm just going to line the chicken, and you can go ahead and line them however you want. I kind of like to line my chicken, kind of by like flats by flats and drums by drumettes. I don't know, I just been like that for a long time, so I'm just used to doing that. Okay, they are ready to go into the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown, and make sure to flip it halfway through and then broil it for about 1 to 2 minutes per side for charness. Okay, meanwhile the chicken is baking, let's make this quick and easy sauce. In a small pot over medium high, I'm going to add in some soy sauce. And then some sugar. And then for just a little bit of heat, I'm going to add in a little bit of Sriracha. You can omit that if you don't want any. And then I'm just going to give it a quick stir. And then you'll want to bring this to a boil. Okay, now that the sauce is boiling, we're going to want to reduce the heat to low and then let it come to a simmer and stirring often until the sauce becomes a little bit thickened, about 3 to 4 minutes. I transferred the chicken into a mixing bowl, and now we're going to pour the sauce all over it. And then you just want to mix it to coat the chicken well. Hey. This looks so good and smells amazing. And now it is ready to serve. You can eat this as is, or you can eat this over some rice or some vegetables. Here is the end results of the chicken wings with soy sauce glaze. I hope you give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!